Introducing the new Alpha White Pointer Holesaw. Featuring precision tooth geometry, the white pointer makes any material shark bait. With its ultimate cutting-edge design, this Holesaw is built to last. Variable tooth configuration provides exceptional control and noticeably lower vibrations. Stealthy gill-shaped side walls increase visibility and dramatically reduce plug removal time. Armed with 8% cobalt, the white pointer guarantees fast, smooth cuts through the toughest of materials, making it both durable and long-lasting. Sink your teeth into the new Alpha White Pointer Holesaw range.